Hello everyone, my name is Mark and I make both YouTube videos and I do a lot of commercial projects and stuff. So I needed to upgrade from my A6400 because quite honestly the stabilization isn't cutting it. So I went out and bought myself a Sony A7C, which after tax is $2,700, which is the most expensive piece of filmmaking gear. It's actually the most expensive purchase of my entire life, given that I'm only 17, and I'm not keeping it. There's something wrong with it. Let's talk about it. I just want to say right off the bat that this does not affect my actual opinion of the camera. The footage and photos that come out of it are awesome. I'm super happy with it. The issue is that the rear LCD has a weird hue shift on the magenta side, so the sky ends up looking very purple and the highlights end up looking magenta. The EVF doesn't have the problem, it's just the rear LCD, which unfortunately can't be calibrated. Someone else on Reddit had this exact same issue. I'll put it on the screen right now. You can have a read while I'm talking. Interesting that me and only one other person that I can find on the internet has had this specific issue with the A7C. Everything else seems to be the A7 III. Might be because they're sharing panels. Who knows, but I'm taking it back because it's not something I can calibrate by myself. There's no options for it, which would be really nice because I could just make it more green and it'd be fixed. But seeing as how I can't do that, I have to take it back because I have to be able to trust all of the stuff that I'm shooting, given that I do client work and I really have to trust this, otherwise it's gonna start ruining shots. I have to be able to trust my white balance. My highlights, I have to trust that blues are blues and not purples. So yeah, gotta take it back, come with me, we'll see how it goes. This is for education and awareness. Let's go. Everything in this box is as it was purchased. I have the strap, the batteries in the camera so I can show them the problem, camera body, camera cap, we're good. Okay, I'm back here at home. It really wasn't a hassle. We grabbed the new body, the old body, we compared the two. This one, as far as I can tell, does not have the magenta screen issue. This is the new body that I got. It's brand new. It's got all the brand new accessories inside of the box. You can see here on the bill that it is $0. All it was just a serial number switch, just swapping the serial numbers under my purchase record. And we spoke to a Sony representative on the phone who confirmed that, in fact, no, it should not look like that. So if your camera has this issue where the highlights are really purple, definitely call Sony. They offered to either have us send it to a return set or like a repair center to be either recalibrated or repaired, or we could take it back to the retailer we bought it from, which is what we chose to do, and just get a return, or an exchange rather, and then the store would then send that to the Sony repair center. So with that in mind, if your screen's magenta, if you've had this issue, let me know in the comments down below. If you have, definitely send it back. It's not supposed to look like that. Anyways, this is a quick video. It's all resolved now. Peace.